ang matapang na abogado ni Ginoong Vong Navarro, siyang kaibigan, si Attorney Alma Malyonga. Good afternoon, Attorney Malyonga.
Yes, good afternoon sa inyong lahat at lalo na dun sa mas higit na matapang na Mr. Tony Calvento. Good afternoon to everyone.
Justice today has prevailed once more. What can you say about the resolution of the Department of Justice?
Well, alam mo, I am so overwhelmed actually with happiness.
The grave coercion, the serious illegal detention, the physical injuries, all of this were they found probable cause para indict ito. At yung rape case na final ni Denise Cornejo was dismissed, was junked by the three-man panel.
Alam mo, Tony, more than anything else, the reason why we are so happy today, no? Because sabi naman natin,
Are we happy?
Of course,
we are overwhelmed. Happy. That is an understatement that we are happy.
Yes.
We are overwhelmed.
Yes, we are overwhelmed because actually, Tony, itong laban naman ito, and as I said, I've repeatedly told you this, that I'm so appreciative. We are also appreciative of your unstinting support with nothing else in mind than just to, do justice, not only for Vong, but to all other people who may be similarly situated as yung mga tao na naiipit sa mga kaso dahil sa mga kala nila meron silang kapangyarihan, merong kapirahan, ang tingin nila they are above the law. I think more than anything else, while this is a personal vindication for Vong, it is as well, I think, a wonderful gift for all the Filipino people who continue to have faith in the process. Ang palagi ko pinakamagandang nangyari dito is, yung paniniwala natin that things can be done right. It can happen here in our country.
That's
the processes can work. The people can do their jobs. The Department of Justice is determined to do its job under the leadership.
And we have a lady Justice Secretary,
yes,
who is equally as brave na siya. Ang aking last words na sinabi niya, nung last time kaming nakapag-usap, ang sinabi niya, there are more battles to fight, Tony. Yeah. Sabi niya, not about this case, but about the other cases na hinaharap niya sa Department of Justice. This is an unbailable crime, Alma, and I think it is siguro papuntahin mo na yung abogado mo para makuha yung resolution. It is a 42-page resolution.
Yes, oo.
So,
magpapapantay tayo. Definitely gusto natin malaman kung kanino mararaffle itong kaso na ito. Under the rules, as you know, Tony, the court to whom this case is raffled will have to make its own separate determination of probable cause, judicial in character. Ito naman para dun sa pag-issue ng warrant of arrest. And we are confident because alam natin kung ano yung basihan, kung ano yung batas at ano yung ebidensya, that the court will be persuaded. But then, of course, wala tayong influensya. It's just that we are articulating yung tingin natin, lakas ng kaso
walang
natin.
katotohanan na tayo, that we are able to influence anybody from the Department of Justice, at ang tanging we have met several times discussing just kung ano yung
the merits of the case, Tony.
Wala
tayong kapangyarihan, wala tayong abilidad na baguhin or i-guide or i-manipulate yung kung anong gagawin ng Department of Justice. This was a decision on the merits. It's just so that we, as I said, overwhelmingly happy that they saw through lahat ng mga ginagawa noong respondents para palabuin yung kaso, para pahirapan si Vong, yung pagtetrete nila sa mga tao para mawalan tayo ng loob. It has not succeeded. The Department of Justice did its job and dispensed justice in this particular case. Tony, alam natin, pinag-usapan natin hindi pa, this is the first step, but this is the this is a most important step.
It is a crucial crucial
Yes.
step kasi
Opo.
yung sigurado ako that the three-man panel
Mhm.
really studied the case, the merits, took everything into consideration at pagkatapos nun yan tinignan pa ni Prosecutor General at bandang huli hindi naman pwedeng hindi ring tignan din yan ng Secretary of Justice.
Oo. Kaya nga tayo yung nagpapasalamat ng sobra-sobra doon sa NBI for doing its job in the first instance, doon sa pag-aakto ng Department of Justice ng mabilis pero ng tuwid. Tama ka, Tony, it took its time to assess really the case. Minsan nag-uusap tayo, di ba, parang nababagalan ako personally, na parang sa akin kasi dahil, of course, ako yung abogado, ang tingin ko sobrang napakalakas ng kaso, but we could not do anything but wait and pray na somehow the Department of Justice will be able to see the strength of the case, and they did. Kaya ko lang naman sinasabi na tayo, I think when we talk, we say that this is a crucial first step, but that huwag natin yung kalamutan na mayroon pang ibang steps na susunod. So, let us continue to monitor. Let us continue
we will take it, kukunin natin yan one at a time.
One at a time. At para dun sa mga sumusuporta kay Bong at yung naniniwala sa, in what is right and what is good in this country, we should rejoice. I think we should be happy with this crucial first step. Pero, at the back of our minds, wag natin kalimutan that we still need to work hard at this. We still need the support because there are still many things that can happen, still many things that we know the respondents now, the accused, will have to do in order to escape criminal liability. So, pero, sabi mo nga, Tony, sa akin, laging sinasabi sa akin, Alma, one step at a time. So, for the moment, Tony, let us just, I will agree with you. I will follow your advice. Let us just relish the, hindi ko lang gusto sa victory, no? Let's just relish the sweetness of being able to see firsthand
Alma
at work.
Alma.
Oo.
Baka pwedeng palitan ko lang yung relish kasi hindi ako mahilig sa pickles, no? Baka pwede natin sabihin, let us just savor the moment.
Savor the moment.
And thank the Lord. Thank the Lord that talagang the wheels of justice talagang yan umikot. At ang ating Lady Justice talagang nakapiring ang mga mata.
Oo. At alam mo, Tony, marami kong alam na mga bumabatikos sa'yo because of this case. Parang insinuating that you are doing something in order to to manipulate this case, but I know for a fact that you haven't. What you have done, however, that is very crucial, is to fan interest in this case. You have been very bold in keeping our people up to date on what is happening para hindi sila malinlang. And that is the reason why I think you have performed such a crucial role in this particular matter. So again, if I don't say it enough, I'd like to say thank you to our brave journalist, Mr. Tony Caldento.
And I don't want this to sound that this is a mutual admiration na club, no? Na ako ay
wag na.
Let me just say this, Alma, that there were times na totoo naman ho yun, that there were times that we would sometimes discuss very animatedly at share our own opinions, pero hanggang dun lang po kami. Wala po kaming ini-impluwensya. Wala po kaming impluwensya kahit kanino. Wala kaming impluwensya sa Secretary of Justice. Wala kaming impluwensya sa mga members ng panel. Wala kaming impluwensya sa buong desisyon na lumabas na ito. Ito ay base sa merito, and the way you have presented the case, Alma, talaga namang pag nakita naman talaga yung the way you have laid down the case, talagang there is no other way to go kung hindi for an indictment na for these people to face trial and to prove beyond reasonable doubt that indeed they are guilty of the crime that you have filed against them, that Bong Navarro has filed against them.
And just as a final note, no, Tony, for those who are wondering, dahil hindi ka naman abogado, sabi mo nga, Ato Tony?
Attorney Calvento. Attorney Calvento lang.
But you know what, ang mga nakikinig, no, ang value po ni Mr. Tony Calvento sa kaso na ito, in perspektibo, very valuable perspective in assessing the evidence, kung paano dapat ito tignan, not only from the legal point of view, but more importantly, from the layman's point of view. Because you know po, ang pagpapasa po ng probable cause, ang pagtitingin po doon is from the ordinary person's perspective. Ganun po. And as Tony po, ay dahil sa kanyang experience as a journalist, has a unique perspective in many of the things that are being done, in the actuations of the respondents, in the evidence that is being presented. And also, I would like to think that more importantly, si Tony po is a voice of encouragement all the time. In the face of adversities, meron ho yung mga advice on how to take a look at a particular action, for example, na para hindi ka panghinaan ng loob. That is Mr. Tony Calvento, and that's the reason why he has so many followers in his Facebook who look at him to really provide objective development, mga pieces of evidence that people have a right to know para hindi sila malililang. Kaya ang sabi ko nga, again, hindi ko na ulitin, baka sabihin sobra-sobra na ito, but again, Tony, thank you. Thank you very much.
And may I say congratulations, and that Bong Navarro is a very lucky man na meron siyang isang attorney, Alma Malyonga, who is at the helm overseeing yung mga iba pang mga lawyers, but you took up the rudder to steer the way this case would be filed at yung lahat ng efforts mo.
Yes, I'd like to acknowledge talaga yung buong law opisina rin namin, of course, yung sa Sigron Reyna Law Office,
Sigron Reyna Law Office,
si Bon Arcilla, si Keith Capul, and then of course dun sa sa Poblador Law Office, sila Attorney Dino Tamayo, Attorney Justin Mendoza, Johan Fernandez, and the others that I may not have been able to mention now. But there is work ahead. There is work ahead, as you know, Tony, because basta maraming legal na for the moment, as you said, savor the moment. But make no mistake, we are already 2 steps ahead. We are looking ahead already to the next step that will obviously be taken by the accused, and what we need to do in order to deflect whatever strategies that they might employ to escape criminal liability.
Pwede bang magtanong lang na isang bold question sa'yo?
Okay.
Na talagang isang straight answer lang?
Okay.
Pwede ba?
Yes.
Sa palagay mo ba mananalo si Pacquiao kay Bradley?
Oo.
Oh, yun lang.
Oo.
Okay, sige.
109%. 109. I know si Pacquiao, he is a fighter. Ganito, mananalo si Pacquiao in every way.
Yun lang ang influensya natin.
Kung hindi man talaga siya totoong manalo, hindi niya he will still be a winner in my mind, whichever way.
Nilighten up ko lang yung conversation because
kasi masyadong seryoso.
Akala mo kasi kung ano yung tatanong ko sa'yo. Yeah, okay.
Ano kaya yung susunod?
Maraming salamat, and
okay.
I hope we see each other soon.
Yes.
And on time.
Yes.
Okay.
I promise.
Sige,
Thank
Alma.
you.
Mga kaibigan niyang puntinig ni Attorney Alma Malyonga, ang isa sa mga abogado ni Mr. Bong Navarro.